condemnable what's happened in Dakshina Kannada. I know that your party right now is also promising strict action, but there will be questions, sir, about the law and order. Why is it that we see more and more such political violence, such political killings in parts of Dakshina Kannada?
No, it is the fundamentalist organizations are provoking the people to indulge in such kind of heinous crime. It is not the first time this PFI or FDPI or some other related organizations have committed such crime. Even in the Siddaramaia's regime, more than 20 Hindu Karyakartas was brutally murdered. And this is the second incident in the last 1 year. Definitely it is a very cause for concern. The government must bring these culprits to justice as fast as possible. There must be conviction, and that would serve as a deterrent to the others who wants to commit such crimes in the coming days.
BJP believes, sir, that there is a role of the PFI, STPI and other radical elements in this particular case?
No, that's the BJP workers in the South Canara are suspecting their hands are responsible for this killing. Ultimately, it is a police investigation and their report will be the final.
The Congress, sir, we've had a conversation with the Karnataka Congress as well, and the party states that this is a result of the BJP's own polarization politics, of the communalization politics that the BJP allegedly plays. What's your response to that?
The person who said it must be a shameful person when a dead body is there who has been brutally killed, 2 months old, he had married 2 months back. And passing such a cheap remark is unbecoming of a responsible political party. It is even when during the Siddaramaiah regime, so many were killed by the fundamentalist organizations. Does he mean to say they also indulge in the polarization of minorities during that period? We should look at it as the law and order problem. And also this rise of fundamentalist forces in the South Canara district, which needs to be curbed with a heavy hand.
But Mr. Prakash, then questions to be asked to the BJP. Why hasn't there been any ban on the PFI, STPI when they've been involved in multiple cases of such violence, such killings in the state, in Karnataka?
The banning an organization needs tremendous legal support, and a lot of document has to be assembled, and it has to be proved that they are indulging in such heinous acts. And the process is on.
But is the BJP for it, sir? Is the BJP for it? You're in the state, you're in the centre. Is the party for a ban?
We have been demanding ban on the PFI and SDPI long back. And I must remind you, earlier, Simi was the name for this PFI. Now, when the Simi was banned, they changed the name to PFI. Mere ban of these organizations will not be sufficient. We should ensure such elements are brought to book and put behind the bar.